Guys, WMCQ3 pa rin. Bill Dizon here, kasama ko si John Say. Hindi niya alam na nakakausapin ko siya ngayon biglaan. Hoy,
Wait, pwede
John,
ko lang.
bumati ka muna. Are you going to help us out, Rich? Alright, that's great. John Say.
Wala, talunan eh.
Ano ba to, video? Is this video?
Is this a video?
Sorry, ah.
Video, it's on video.
It's a video, yeah.
Well, so, besides, not so bad, not so such a mistake to play.
Yeah.
How's the event for you today?
Great, actually. Like, we were doing great time. Like, it's only 6 and we're done 7 rounds.
Unbelievable.
Unbelievable. It's unbelievable. Like, people, the event started on time, rounds started on time, people were very organized, they don't crowd around, it's very, overall, well run.
You should have won today.
Yeah, well, them so luck.
Alright,
Right.
see you later. We'll move around, Rich. Is that okay with you?
I might be leaving with Ty.
That's okay, man. Thanks, Rich. We'll talk to more people. Thanks a lot. Alright. Moving on. This is Judge Vince Balyan. Hello.
Grabe ka naman, nakakanaw siya kami ng tubig.
Ayaw. Sino na ng mga
Naka-video.
Naka-video. There's John again. And
What up?
Edge is over there.
What up, what up, what up?
What can you say about this event? JP. JP mamaya yan.
Seriously, dapat sa GP Manila may GoPro ka na. Yung tatlong GoPro na magkakasabay.
Yun eh. Antay mo ako dyan. Ano mga dyan? Vince! Your reaction sa event natin yun. Round 7. It's very early. It's round 7.
Yeah, it's like 6 o'clock and we're
Have you seen this before? I mean,
we're like
very early.
starting round 8.
Round 8?
Yes.
Okay, I didn't realize that.
Round 8,
It's happening
diba?
today, man. Everything's going to happen today like that. Very
And-
early, very organized.
Pairings for round
Me
8,
myself, I'm very happy about
as
it.
well as standings after round
So
7 have been
it's
posted.
6 o'clock, round 8. We'll end by round 9.
Please verify
And if
your
ever-
standings. Please
If
verify
ever
that you have the
we'll-
correct
And
record.
And if ever we'll be like doing playoffs later on, so more or less we might be able to hit the target before 11 p.m. Most probably.
Alright, man.
If ever the playoff or the finals will be done somewhere else.
Hopefully we don't need to move.
Hopefully we don't need to move. Hopefully we'll end before 10 p.m.
This is a very good place to work on. Right? See you later, Vince. Ron Hoson. What's happening? So, Judge Team muna tayo. Itong kasi siguro yung event natin ngayon. Kasi yata yung medyo maaga tayo matatapos.
Well, all ours. Okay naman yung number of judges. Yun yung hindi ko nasabi kanina. Ngayon, ano lang, ano na tayo? Cruise control.
Alright, man.
Nakakaliwa si Ron.
Thanks, Ron.
Hindi ko
Talk to you again,
nakikita.
hopefully. Papaitan na natin si DJ, who's very, very busy. And basically hit my meteor. So, ito, titingnan na sila ng pairings, guys. Pairings ng LTD and A2K. Si Mesa dito. Sales shoes, nagtitingin din ng pairings. Binder Ramos, of course. So guys, balik tayo mamaya ulit after maybe another round. We'll do some interviews. Thank you very much for tuning in.